Hello everyone. I hope the screen is visible. The previous session is ended somehow interruptedly. So I have to start this session again. Sorry for the this technical issue. I don't know how this happened, but there was some technical issue from the YouTube side. I don't know what was the error. So let's start it without any further delay. Let's start this. So yeah, we are on the right. I don't know why was that issue. Okay. No problem. We can start it again. So we were discussing the top 5 DevOps topic 20 for the 2024. So we discuss about the GitOps, that it is the a practice for managing software deployments, infrastructure changes using Git repositories, and it basically takes the Git repository as a single source of truth both for your application code, for your infrastructure code, for your configuration management tools declaration which you declare, and all the code which you do related to with your application infrastructure. It will basically treat uh, it want to version itself, and it want to treat as a single source of truth, both of that. And this approach allows you to use the same tools and workflows for both code bases of application infrastructure, and make it very easy to track these changes. And if you want to roll back it, then you can easily roll back it to the previous version. And the most DevOps GitOps tools is popular is the Argo CD, which you can go for the Flux CD, but I strictly suggest you go with the Argo CD, as it is very popular with the Flux CD as well. So next topic is the CI/CD pipeline, which we discuss in the detail, that how it is it is basically a continuous integration and the continuous delivery pipeline which automate the software deployment process and making it faster and more reliable deployments will be there. Third, we discuss third topic which you should learn is the Kubernetes. And the Kubernetes is the most important topic which you should learn, because it clears your basic from the Linux part. It creates you basics about networking, how it works. Because if you go deep into these components of Kubernetes, all scheduler, control manager, and everything, then you will learn everything about how whole IT process will work. This really helps you keep your understanding clear. And if, because of this Kubernetes, you will also learn all these Docker containers and containerization process, also about the microservices architecture, which is basically when you are breaking your application into smaller independent parts, and basically independent services which can be developed and deployed and created and scaled basically independently, depending on without dependent on each other, can be on different languages also. So microservices is basically a new thing that allows to many team to collaborate on a single application, which is now we can see with the different application. Mostly they are moving towards from monolithic to microservices application. And also Kubernetes is basically a container orchestration platform which helps these thousands of microservices and thousands of container very easily. So that's why Kubernetes becomes so important in today's world. And then next topic which we should which is trending right now and you should learn as a DevOps engineer is infrastructure as a code. We already discussed the most important infrastructure as a code tool is a Terraform. Then we have AWS CloudFormation, Azure ARM templates. Then we have Google Deployment Manager. So you should learn all these depend on what cloud platform you work with. So this is how you should work on this. And after this, and you also my personal favorite is Pulumi, something Pulumi. It is a new comparatively to what Terraform is, but Terraform is also a cloud agnostic. It can be used with any of the cloud service provider, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. And so all these you should really be aware of. And Pulumi, basically what I'm talking is like it can be used with any of the language, because Terraform is restricted to SCL, that is HashiCorp language. So HashiCorp configuration language. So apart, it requires a learning curve. But if you are already a developer and you know a programming language, Pulumi helps you to provision your infrastructure using that. So that's why it is basically popular. And infrastructure as a code allows to manage your infrastructure as a in the code format. That's right, you can revert back your code, you can uh, like uh, track your code, and at what point of time you provision that instance or your network, everything you can provision using this infrastructure as code. And this is a must necessity in 2024. You should know it. It is now become an old thing, so you should be aware of this. And the last topic which you should be aware is cloud native application. So cloud native application is basically when you know about how to build and deploy application specifically for the cloud platform. So from as a solution architect, I can say, like, when I was designing any application infrastructure design, I have to take care of this from the very starting point, that my application is going to finally run on the cloud. So I have to choose service accordingly. I don't put that much emphasis on writing everything in code and doing everything through code, because now we have like fully managed cloud services, AWS services. Like we have also, we can utilize the serverless services. So there are multiple options which are available through this cloud platform, so you can utilize that. And apart from this, so we have a comment from the some that it is asking for the machine learning certification and all. So machine learning certification, I already make it a video on that. I will provide the link in the description as well. So machine learning certification is basically when we require first basic one is from the Azure, which is AI 900, that is Azure fundamentals at the fundamental level. Then again higher level is from the AI 102, which is also from Azure, and it is at the associate level, which is a higher difficulty level compared to fundamental level. And then in the end we have a certification at the professional level from Google Cloud. So you can go ahead with, after doing the two certification, you can go ahead with the Google certification. And after that you can utilize this um, AWS at the specialty level certification, which is the highest level of difficulty in the AWS cloud, or any of the clouds ML certification which are available. So make sure to utilize this. And I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel, and see you guys in the